Hello, today we will learn automation and variables in PowerShell. To write a program in PowerShell, for that we are having a window. We have to open that window. As I have shown in previous video, we were starting Windows PowerShell. To do any programming, for that we are having Windows PowerShell ISC. I have to open that. Now we are making a automation program with the help of Windows PowerShell ISC. We have now we will see how can we write a small program for that. As you can see, first is we have to write here cd slash. It means it will go into cd. After that cd slash cd users Raju K slash desktop. It means after writing this command, it can go automatically on the desktop. After going on desktop, and then we are writing here new item. With the help of new item, it can create a directory Johan dir. This means it will create automatically this directory. After that, item type. It means it is showing what type of this Johan dir. What is this? For that we are showing here. This means it is a directory. After that we will go cd Johan dir. It means after writing cd and then we have write here Johan dir. It means it can go or it will move automatic in the Johan dir. And then we are writing again here new item, and then we have write file name file 12345.txt. It means it can create automatically file in Johan dir. Now we will see, and first I want to show you on the desktop. Here is not any directory with this name. You can see here is not any directory dd, debug, mp3, new folder, and test space dir s, but this name directory is not here. Okay, now we are running this program. Now it is saying here to save this. After saving this, then we have to hit enter. Now you can see here it has first is this, it can go automatic in this desktop directory. After going desktop, it has created a directory in with the name of John dir. After that, it can go inside that. After going inside John dir, and then it has created automatically file 12345. Now we can check on the desktop. This one John dir, and then we will see here one file is created automatically. This means automation. And now we will see data types. Just I want to let you know how many data types they and now we will see how many types data type and what kind of data types. Now I want to see you, and I will write a program for that. Now you can see I have write a small program. Now we are executing that. Now you can see this program is not executing. Maybe here is an error, but we are not finding here. We are checking. Okay, we have to write something else. Now we are again running this program. After running this program, you can see here this means a equal to 2. This is a integer type data type, and b 22.25, this is a double type data type, and c character wise data type, and D hello world. This is a string type data type. Like this we can create programs and we can know how many data types. In this condition we have shown to you there are 4 type data type, and I have shown to you with an example of this. Thank you.